Hello students, come back today with the revisional chapter of construction exercise 13 from your board book. It is told that draw a triangle with sides 5 cm, 8 cm and 11 cm. Draw a parallelogram equal to that triangle having an angle 60 degree. Here, so first we have to draw the triangle. So first we will draw here 5 cm. At the right side, you will draw 5 cm separately. Then 8 cm. Then 11 cm. 11 is so big. So my sides are 5 cm, 8 cm and 11 cm. Now I have to draw the triangle. Clear? First, at the mid of the page, you will take any line of any measurement. Clear? From here, you can take base 11 cm. From here, take 11 cm measurement and cut from here. Clear? So this is my 11 cm. Here name of the triangle not mentioned, so you can give any name. Then take 8 cm. You know this, how to construct the triangle. 8 cm. From here, draw an arc. Then 5 cm is left. Taking 5 cm measurement. Now from here, drawing arcs. So 8 cm again. Now we have to complete the triangle. This intersecting point and this end point join. And here also join. So we have got required triangle. Name of this triangle is ABC. I can give, as it is not mentioned here. So I am giving A, B, C. This is 11, this is 8 cm. Measurements also you will mention in the diagram. Okay. Then what property will apply here? A parallelogram we have to construct equal area, whose area is equal to that of triangle. From one theorem you know that if a parallelogram and a triangle stand on same base and between same parallel lines, then their areas are equal. So here we have, I will take the base, this is the base of triangle. So I will draw the parallelogram on the same base here, and before that I have to draw parallel line. Okay, so having an angle 60 degree. Okay, now my next process is that you have to bisect the base. You know bisection, how to bisect. You will take more than half, then draw here one arc, here one arc. Again with same measurement, place over C, draw one arc here, draw another arc. They should intersect. So now I have bisected the base BC. Now see, I am giving name D. This point is D. Here it is bisected here. Then draw parallelogram equal to that triangle having an angle 60 degree. Okay, so here I will draw 60 degree. Clear? You know how to draw 60 degree. Take any arc. Sorry, it is wait. My compass is disturbing. Then with the same arc, draw this. This is my 60 degree. Clear? So cut it and extend the line. 60 degree is completed. Then what is left? We have to draw a parallel line which is parallel to BC. So there are many methods. Alternate angles you can draw equal, or what I am doing now. See, I am placing the compass at A. Then what is the opposite side of a BC? So take the measurement of BC. Take the measurement of BC and place your compass over here, and then on this side also, then draw an arc. Clear? Telling again, I am placing my compass at A and taking the radius as BC. Then I am placing that arc. I am drawing that arc. Clear? Now I place my compass at C. So what is the opposite side of C? AB. Now take the measurement of AB. Or one thing you can do, you can place at B, then take the measurement of AC, radius as AC. Now place at B, then draw another arc. Clear? What I have done? When I am placing at B, what is the opposite side? AC. So take the radius as AC. Clear? And place your compass at B and then draw another arc. Now I have to join. What to join? I have to join A and that intersecting point to get the parallel line. I have joined A and that, and I am extending both sides. So what I have got, you see this line and this line, they are parallel now. This line and this line, they are parallel. Clear? Now the last part of the construction. What is that? Here take this measurement DC, and from here you place at here 60 degree cut, where that 60 degree cuts this parallel line, there you place. Okay, then you cut, then you join this and this, you join. Name it. It is DC. Any name you can give. DC. What I'll give? E, and this point F, and give name here that parallel line PQ is the parallel line. Clear? Now see the construction. This is the parallelogram FDCE, whose area is equal to the area of the triangle ABC. Clear? Now, what is the logic? This parallelogram and this triangle, they are standing on the same base BC, and between two same parallel lines BC and PQ. Clear? So this is the construction, full construction statement. By seeing that, you can write a triangle. I am telling now, you can write a triangle with sides 5 cm, 8 cm and 11 cm is drawn. A parallelogram FDCE is constructed equal in area to the triangle, having an angle 60 degree. Clear? Then next one.